What you got for me on this one, PR? I know you can't fuck with this one.
Man, I'ma do what I do, man. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Honey Street, what up? We out here. Check it. I know niggas wanna bother me and put me in the grave. Switchblade in your mug, nigga, closer than you shave. Strawberry whip, turn your brains in a cool whip. Every other month, see me shitting in a new whip. Banging instrumentals, getting brain in the rental. Screwing with a chick that was half oriental. Why take it gentle, knowing I'm a roughneck. Head game sick, hit her down with some rough sex. I used to make my mom upset. I'm a king now, like Ron Artest. Why sleep? I show you I don't need no rest. You can train with the dreamers, 38 and leaner. Stirring up shit like coffee in a creamer, coffee in a beamer. 745, got 7 niggas with me with 745s. Most bitches can't handle their liquor. I'ma supervise y'all like a manager, nigga. Follow my directions, I slaughter to perfection. You don't see it come, send it hollers your direction. Pain like Excedrin, drain your intestines the same to the brethren. Fuckin' with me, why pay when I can get head for free? I'm guzzling the Hennessy, praying on my enemies. You ain't hear the truth till I make it in the industry. Fuck who you hang with, fuck who you related to. Put you in a coma, mom's hoping that you make it through. Is nothing I can say to you. Catch you in my radius, I murk you in a day or two. Motherfucker, I'ma push with the pushers, hustle with the hustlers. You couldn't be a hustler, you running with the cousins. Her head game sick and your dumb ass is loving it.